What's up, guys? If you're interested in tracking at G2 Motorsports, you're going to watch this video. I've been tracking for over 15 years. I'm going to be doing a hot lap in a 718 Porsche Cayman. This is really bone stock, but I love this car. It sounds great. So watch this video if you want to hear commentary as I drive through a lap. All right, so let's take a look. There's a wall. There's a little bit of rain, just kind of, late apex here. You really want to early apex that because of the long straight coming up on that nice clubhouse. Again, you're seeing the rain falling, but the track is dry and it is pretty warm. You gotta just brake here and then accelerate. Really get on the gas here. I don't do a great job of really accelerating to this corner. Brake, turn in early. Again, track out more. I didn't do a good job there, but again, it's a little bit of a short straight. I don't love it in terms of carrying a ton of speed because you're coming right into a perpendicular wall here. I'm just passing here. This in 3 gets a little sideways.
So he doesn't mind getting sideways in your car?
What's that?
He doesn't mind getting sideways in your car?
Alright, so here you really got to early apex this and get on the gas early, gas run. This is the main straightaway, highest speed. You really got to carry a lot of speed here. Again, the rain's falling a little bit more, but you shouldn't really let that affect you. You can see what the speed is. You really got to carry a lot. Late brake here, I don't like it. It's a little sketchy.
You can carry a lot more speed through this car.
Hit these apexes, run. Just gas. You got to go through this.
This spoiled with Crescent, having like so much runoff on the high speed.
Very good. Brake, turn in. Pretty basic. It's a little downhill.
Kick tight, and then just aim for that curve, and then brake straight right here.
This is pretty technical. It's slow speed here, so you really want to hook it
You get up the
early.
hill.
Coming up at the end of the lap.
Now you get
Technical,
a better exit.
perpendicular concrete walls. They really make me nervous, but carry speed here. It says brake at the 3. Just tap and go. It's really a flat out corner. If you've got suspension or if you've got a good car like mine, it should go.
Then aim in the middle, right here, and then
Yep, brake here, turn in. This is a banked corner, so it's really fun. You can really feel the G-forces. Carry speed. Kind of miss this apex, but it's just slow. And this is the diciest corner. You're coming under this corner, you've got pit wall right there. That's the end.